So we've covered laws or logarithms in a previous skills video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set you a couple of questions based on these. I want you to pause the video, go away, have a crack at these questions, and then come back and check your solutions against the worked answers that are going to come later on. Here they are. So I want you to simplify the following three expressions. So the first one's log to the base 2 of 3 plus log to the base 2 of 9. The second one is log to the base 9 of 12 plus log to the base 9 of 4, take away log to the base 9 of 6. And the third one is 3 log to the base 2 of 3, take away 2 log to the base 2 of 4. So pause the video and have a crack at those. Come back and check your work. So first one, log to the base 2 of 3 plus log to the base 2 of 9. Now remember, when we're combining them, when it's add or subtract, the base has to be the same in all the logarithms. So in this case, they've both got base 2, so we can combine them. Now remember, laws of logarithms, when we add, we keep the log and the base the same, so it's still log to the base 2. We take the numerical values here, and because it's an add, we multiply them. If it's a subtract, remember, we divide them. So it's log to the base 2 of 3 times 9, which in this case is log to the base 2 of 27. Now if I could simplify this using any other rules of logarithms, I could. I can't, so I can just leave my answer like that in this case. Second question was log to the base 9 of 12 plus log to the base 9 of 4, take away log to the base 9 of 6. So this time we're combining three different things, three different elements. Again, first thing you have to look at, are the base values of the logarithms all the same? Yes, they are. I can combine all three of them together in one go. Remember, the plus means that we end up multiplying, the minus means that we end up dividing. So in this case, it's all going to end up with the same log, so log to the base 9. We've then got 12 plus the 4, so that's going to give me 12 times the 4, is then subtract the log to the base 9 of 6, which means the whole thing is then divided by 6. So that in this case gives me log to the base 9 of 4 12s is 48 divided by 6, which I can simplify to give me log to the base 9, 48 divided by 6 gives me 8. So I've got that, log to the base 9 of 8. Again, I can't really simplify much more beyond this besides firing it in a calculator, so I'm just going to leave it. Last one I asked you to do, 3 log to the base 2 of 3, take away 2 log to the base 2 of 4. Again, first thing, check your base values. They're both the same, we can combine them. Now remember, if there's a numerical value in front, we have to somehow get rid of it. And that's where we use the a log to the base n of x simplification. And we can say it's log to the base n of x to the power of a. So using that on both these, I get log to the base 2 of 3 cubed, take away log to the base 2 of 4 squared. So 3 cubed is 27, so it's log to the base 2 of 27, take away log to the base 2 of 4 squared, gives me log to the base 2 of 16. Combine the both of these, it's a subtract, so we divide. We then get log to the base 2 of 27 over 16. Again, if I can simplify it at this point, I go ahead and do that, but I can't with these values, so we leave it there. Remembering all these rules of logarithms and how we use them, all the different laws that come into play, if we know these off the top of our head, we can instantly simplify any of these things following those rules. So, hope that went well for you. I'll answer any questions in class when I see you.